crafty friends. Welcome to my channel, where creativity meets fun. In today's tutorial, I am thrilled to show you how to make a charming crochet amigurumi heart keychain. Whether you are crafting a special Valentine's Day gift or adding a personal touch to your accessories, this project is easy to follow and totally customizable. Let's jump right in and start crocheting together. And just so you know, you can totally customize the size of this heart. Want a teeny tiny keychain? Just decrease the number of stitches. Dreaming of a big, bold statement piece? Simply increase those stitches. I'll walk you through all the measurements and stitch counts step by step, so no worries there. Let's talk materials. For this project, I'm using Himalaya Himagurumi Kotan yarn. It's so soft and cuddly. And a 2.50mm crochet hook. If you're loving this already, please hit that subscribe button. It helps me bring you more fun projects. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Ready to start crocheting? Let's get to it. First, make a slip knot in chain 10. Be sure not to make your chains too tight, or the heart won't have that smooth shape. Now, starting in the second chain from the hook, crochet 9 single crochets across the chain. Once you finish those 9 single crochets, chain 1 and turn your work. Starting from the first stitch, work 9 single crochets across. Chain 1, turn your work, and repeat the same process as the previous row, working 9 single crochets starting in the first stitch. Each row will repeat, and we will continue like this until we have a total of 8 rows of single crochet. Turn your work. Yarn over twice, then make 8 triple crochets in the 5th stitch of the row. This will form the first lobe of the heart. Once you have those 8 triple crochets, make a single crochet in the 9th single crochet of the row below to join. Now, yarn over twice again. Make 8 triple crochets in the 5th stitch on the other side. This will form the second lobe of the heart. Once you're done with the 8 triple crochets, join again by crocheting a single crochet into the top of the 9th single crochet. Now, starting from the last single crochet, make 8 triple crochets into the 5th stitch. After completing the second group of 8 triple crochets, make a slip stitch into the top of the last single crochet of our foundation chain. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now we'll hide the yarn ends by weaving them through the back loops of the heart. Now, following the exact same steps and measurements, you need to make another heart piece. We're going to join the 2 heart pieces together and stuff them with fiber fill. It's all coming together now. Alright, for the second heart piece, I already made the 8 triple crochet groups and joined with a slip stitch into the top of the last single crochet of the foundation chain. Let's grab the first heart piece and with the wrong sides together, insert your hook into the slip stitch space of the triple crochet group and single crochet to start joining. We're going to join the 2 pieces together, aligning the chain stitches on the front heart with each row of single crochets on the back heart, making a single crochet in each space. Continue to crochet up the sides, joining each corresponding stitch along the way. We're now going to single crochet the triple crochets together, making sure each stitch is aligned with the stitch on the other piece. After completing the last triple crochets, slip stitch into the next single crochet of both pieces to join. Before we continue to join the hearts together, let's stuff the inside with fiber fill through the opening. Continuing from where we left off, let's keep joining the triple crochets together with single crochets. After making a single crochet in the last stitch, cut the yarn, leaving a bit of a tail. We will use this tail to attach our keychain ring. Insert the hook into the top of the first stitch, and using the invisible join technique, secure the yarn. We have created V-like stitches. Now, let's thread the yarn through a tapestry needle and get ready to attach the keychain ring. Because we use the invisible join, we will need to make a knot to secure the yarn here. Now, make a knot. Then insert the needle through the middle top of the heart. Attach the keychain ring. After attaching the ring, insert the needle through the tip of the heart and pull the yarn slightly to hide it, and this will help form the heart shape. With that, we've completed all the steps for making our keychain. Remember, if you want to create a larger keychain, increase the number of chains in the foundation chain, as well as the number of rows in the square. That's all for today's video, friends. I hope this was a helpful and inspiring tutorial for you guys. Now, to keep the creativity flowing, please hit that subscribe button if you aren't already. It helps me keep creating content for you. Also, give this video a big thumbs up and share your finished keychains with me. I love seeing your creations. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.